Once upon a time, there was a big lion named Simba who lived in a dark jungle. He was very strong and powerful, but he was also very kind and loved by all the other animals in the jungle. Simba would protect the other animals from any danger in the jungle. He would roar loudly to scare away any predators who came too close to them. Even though Simba was very scary to some, the other animals knew that he was a good friend who would never harm them. One day, some humans came into the jungle and started cutting down trees. The animals were very afraid because they knew the humans could hurt them. But Simba bravely scared the humans away and saved the animals from harm. After that, Simba became even more loved and respected by the other animals in the jungle. They knew he was a hero who would always protect them from danger. As Simba grew older, he became weaker and slower. One day, he passed away in his sleep. The other animals in the jungle were very sad because they had lost a great friend and protector. But they remembered all the time Simba had saved them and continued to look out for each other, just like Simba had taught them to do. Thanks to Simba's bravery and kindness, the jungle remained a beautiful and peaceful place, full of life and wonder.